Okay, so if you were here yesterday, these types of problems should be easy. However, this problem takes it up a notch. So if you weren't here, it could be a little difficult. The problem says I have 5 blue and red crayons. There are more blue crayons that are there than red crayons. I think I messed that up. I'm sorry in the typing. How many of each could I have? So again, how many crayons are there? 5, right? Now some of those crayons are blue and some of them are red, but I've got more blue ones than I do red ones. So if I go to solve this problem, here's what I would expect from you guys. I would want to do 5 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And then what I'll do is I'll set it up so that I can read it very, very evenly. I'll set up blue over here, and I'll set up reds over here. Now, if I have more blues than I have red, that's very important to remember. So what I'll do is I will first start out with the blue ones. And I will do this. I'll just simply color these in. Blue, 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 blue. And remember, I've got to have at least one that's a red because if the problem said that some are red. So I'll color in that last one red. Now when you look at the board, how many blue crayons do I have? 4, right? So I'm going to write 4 underneath there. How many of them are red? 1. Does 4 plus 1 equal red? Equal red. Does 4 plus 1 equal 5?
Yes.
Yes, it does. So that's one way to do it. If I have 4 blue crayons, I'm going to have 1 red. But now what happens if 2 of them are red? Now if 2 of them are red, how many blues do I have? 3. And then how many reds do I have? 2. Does 3 plus 2 equal 5?
Yes.
It does. Now here, remember though, I have to have more blue crayons than red crayons. Do I still have more blues than reds?
Yes.
Yes, I do. The picture helps us see that, and the equation helps us see that. So I keep on going. Now I color this one in red. How many crayons are blue now? 2. How many crayons are red? 3. Does 2 plus 3 equal 5?
Yes.
It does. But do I have more blue crayons than red crayons?
No.
No, I do not. So boys and girls, here's where you've got to be able to stop, and you have to say to yourself, this is not a good equation for this problem. And you cross it out, which means that all of this right here becomes your answer. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Now, as we work through these problems, they're going to get a little bit more difficult, but if you watch this video again on Edmodo, it should help you through the process of trying to come up with the correct answer, okay?